guys, Kirsten here with Dr. Harrigan. I just wanted to let you guys know that we do offer some programs here for nutritional support. A lot of people think of us as just a chiropractic office, but we are so much more than that. We do offer nutritional support. Two of the programs that we offer is a 21-day purification and a 28-day detox program. We've had tremendous results with our patients doing them. I've done the 28 days a couple times and it's amazing. We have a little booklet that it will give you all the instructions. It's very simple. There's some shakes that go along with it. But basically it's about just cleaning up your diet. So it's not anything abnormal or anything too difficult to do. Hydration is very important when it comes to it. But when we talk about impact and results on our diet, just cutting out those extra sugars, caffeine, carbohydrates, potatoes, things like that, you know, it really has an impact on our gut, but for the long term. As you can see
now you're scaring people. You're telling them to cut out all the stuff that we love. So why would we do that? You know, I try to get most people to consider doing the 28-day program first because it's a little more simple. These programs are so simple, yet people have such a hard time with them sometimes, and I don't understand really why, right? I think it's because most of us don't eat a lot of real food in our diets, right? We're used to the packaged and processed stuff. So the 28-day program is so simple. It comes with a jug of powder. It's got all organic whole food ingredients in it that basically the goal with these programs, yeah, weight loss and fat loss is a side effect of them. That's not the goal though. That's the side effect. The goal is to teach us how to eat more real food. The goal is to get my liver functioning better. Our liver has over 700 functions, you guys. It's kind of like the oil filter to your car. If it's not clean, if it's clogged up and dirty, things just get pushed back into the engine. It doesn't clear them out. Hormones go through the liver, cholesterol, all these different things. So just think that most things that are wrong in the body can actually be tied to the liver a lot of the times. It's just not working properly. This is kind of a liver detox type program. We're all exposed to all these different environmental toxins. It's not a matter of avoiding toxins anymore. That is impossible. It's in our air, it's in our water, it's in our foods, it's in pesticides and all the food, packaged foods we eat. We have to do two things essentially. Increase my body's ability to handle toxins, to get rid of them. We're constantly detoxifying, but we're usually not doing it fast enough. And also look at maybe our foods and our personal care products to basically start eliminating some of those unnecessary toxins that we're putting in and on our bodies. That is huge. We have to do this because cancer is the #2 killer. We all know that toxins contribute to that. Our foods contribute to that. So just to do a 28 program to kind of do a reset on your liver, we can do some pre and post testing for you. It's incredible what we've seen. And what we have people do typically is we have you do maybe the 28-day for a little while and then take a break and then go to the 21-day. Because if you hit a plateau by doing certain techniques and eating habits, it helps break that plateau. So we can constantly keep getting progress and progress. So our body fat keeps coming down so that our body keeps detoxifying. Again, all of our organs detoxify. They all help with that. Our lymphatic system, our skin, our sweat, all of that stuff contributes, but most of us are not doing it effectively. So there's a little bit of prep time for this, you guys. So if you're considering doing this, first of all, reach out to us. We have lots of information we want to share with you first to get prepared for it. 2 reasons people fail on this program. We don't allow people to fail very often on this, but 2 reasons people fail. One is they don't plan ahead. So we're not going to the grocery store buying the foods that we're supposed to be eating on this program. And the other one is not kind of having the foods ready and prepared, because then we're going to go through the drive-through. We're going to go get the packaged quick food. That's the problem, you guys. Convenience is going to affect us at some point. It's pay now or pay later. We do have to spend a little more time and eat the real foods. Guys, this is not a diet. Diets don't work, right? We can do something for 30, 60, 90 days. And then we go back to our old habits. You're going to get the old result again. Stop doing yo-yo diets. This is a lifestyle, so to speak, but start kind of getting your foot wet a little bit and just start doing little things, because it's the habits, the daily things that are going to allow us to be successful or not. It's our daily habits, whether we're talking about our financial situation, our health currently. It's literally your daily habits you've been doing for the past 5 to 10 years. So this helps accelerate that. And we see, I don't know how many testimonials we have at this point from this program, but it's pretty incredible. It's not super challenging, but you do have to prepare for it.